What's up, gang? Nishok and I are right now at Gardacharpalya Metro and we are going for a cheat meal and we are going to be sending it, okay? We have a lot of things lined up. Are you excited?
No.
He's not excited, but you guys, please show me the excitement in the comments. Today I'm dressed like a college boy. Black jeans, Jordans and a shirt. Always take the stairs in Metro, bro, because like they take forever on the escalator. Nishok and I have reached Indiranagar and now Kavin is reaching. Kavin's coming from NG Road side. Oh my god, look at this guy. Oh shit. Who hit you, bro? Who hit you? What the fuck,
I didn't
bro?
like Mohit's food and he beat me.
Look at his eye. First, we are going to Samsung Momos. I want some spicy momos, so we're gonna be eating some momos. What are you making a face? Don't make faces, man. We love momos, right? Guys, Samsung Momos. Bro, that's the thing. You come here and half the times he's not here, bro. He has heavy cock, bro. You know how much he makes? Bro, I'm sure he makes more than all three of us combined. Look at these momos, man. The best in Bangalore. Kavin, do you agree that these are the best momos we've eaten in Bangalore?
Yeah, in Bangalore, not even close.
This guy's opinion doesn't matter.
I'm
Guys,
not a mom
Nishok fought with
again.
his girlfriend. What is this, Nishok? Such long paragraphs you're sending.
Let me show you Nishok.
See, I got it. Yeah.
That's Nishok's girlfriend. Man is sending such long paragraphs to a guy, bro. That's crazy.
True G, bro.
Basically, Nishok is training his friend who's 150 kgs and his friend keeps fucking up. So Nishok sent one long ass text.
Fuck you, fucking soul, you fucking piece of shit.
ठीक है 3 प्लेट चिकन मोमो दे दो ओ बिलो करे हाथ कतल guys 3 plates momos
But this is a different one.
taste come on Kavin doesn't like mayo in his momos.
Yeah, I don't put fucking white shit in my mouth. Not like these two gay fucks.
How is it, boss?
Good, bro. Always good, bro. Never bad.
I mean, your opinion doesn't matter, but we'll still ask. How is it? It's shit, huh?
Opinion doesn't matter.
Yeah, that's why his opinion doesn't matter. The legends are here. Ninad has come from tuition. What's up, boys? How are you? Have you eaten these momos before?
Not yet, bro. Let's try it.
Try, bro. It's the best shit. No need to wash hands, bro. Get some. Yeah, both chutneys you have to put.
Bro, I don't like the other one. Okay, fine.
Okay. Oh, fuck! First time. How is it? Worth it, no, coming here?
It's good.
Hey, you've eaten here before? No. Yours was the first time, what? Try, bro.
He's not gonna give a crazy reaction.
Hey, Adit is also here. You remember we went to Mysore with him? How is it, boss?
It tastes like momos.
Lovely, bro. Wow. You should start a vlogging channel, bro.
The texture in the mouth.
Uh-huh.
It feels like momos.
What's up, bro? Say hi to the vlog. Have you had these momos? Try chicken momos. Bro, get a lot of that red chutney.
Long story, bro.
I do only red chutney.
Lovely, bro.
I didn't even do anything, you know.
Good. Approved. Adit approved.
I'm getting one plate.
You're getting one plate. Yeah, get. After some beautiful momos, we've... Fucker, stop honking. We've come to Aladdin Shawarma. Aladdin Shawarma. What's the best thing here, bro?
Alishan.
It's Alishan Tikka. Ninad is getting a tattoo done, guys. Show me your tattoo. What is that, bro?
Bro, it's not gonna work.
It's not gonna fucking work. You need hot water. It's not gonna work.
Hey, pee on his hand. Somebody pee. What? It won't work. It won't work. You tell me it won't work.
Yeah, I mean, uric acid content and all. I don't know. Might like fuck it up. Fuck you. Didn't expect that. No, what?
A plus B whole square.
How much, bro? Tell A plus B whole
A
square.
square plus B square plus 2AB.
Wow. Just now.
You should let it sit for some time.
Yo, that's fucking ugly as fuck. It's been solid 15-20 minutes since we ordered the Alishan Tikka. It's still under preparation. What are your expectations from this Alishan Tikka? You've never had it, right?
I've never had it. You have said a lot of, you have spoken highly of it, so I'm excited to see it.
Okay. Why is there smoke coming out of your mouth, bro?
Bro, it's cold, bro. That's
Oh,
why.
it's cold. Yeah, in Bangalore, it's so cold. Yeah, this Alishan Tikka is basically chicken tikka only, bro. One plate for me, okay? I need to eat my protein. I can't eat my protein.
I want to eat pizza.
We'll go for pizza, wait.
Have a slice. Yeah, that's better.
After finishing Alishan Tikka at Aladdin Shawarma, we are now heading to 23rd Street Pizza to try a New York style pizza that we've never had before. What are your thoughts, Kavin? Do you think it's going to be good or better than Pizza for Peace?
No, because I like pizza for peace style more. I've had New York pizza before, not here.
Where have you had?
It was ass. It was on a place called Chicago or something.
Not that good, huh?
It was okay.
So it's thick crust basically.
It's thick crust.
So guys, you can expect a thick crust, lots of cheese and yeah, let's see if this New York style is as good as Pizza for Peace. Guys, always wear your helmet, okay? Never miss. Always.
Yeah, that's right. That's why I'm like this, bro.
Yeah, he didn't wear a helmet, somebody punched him.
My banker today thought I got into an accident and all.
Yeah, bro. He's like, sir, you want insurance?
It was a woman, bro. Why are you assuming it's a man?
Oh, your banker's a woman.
Mohit Sharma exposed sexism.
Actually, to be honest, the front desk is usually women, bro.
She wasn't in the front desk, bro. She's
What
like
is she doing?
Relationship manager, bro.
Oh, relationship managers are always women, bro.
No, the other
Because
two.
they handle relationships better than men. We have reached 23rd Street Pizza. Oops, let me zoom in. Yeah, it's our first time here. What happened?
That girl sitting at the table. As soon as you enter, there's one table, there's one girl. I thought that's a girl I knew.
Your ex, sir?
No. She wanted to be my girlfriend. It's a long story.
She wanted to be your girlfriend. Every girl in Bangalore wants to be your
That's
girlfriend.
too much. Boy, don't put that in the vlog. My girlfriend will rail me. So I'm not kidding. Don't put that. She'll fucking.
It's going on the vlog. We are right now at 23rd Street Pizza and it is so whack. Did I order? No. That Bobby, I told him I'm ready to order. He's like, yes sir, one pina colada.
No, he's like, yes sir, mineral water.
Yeah.
Order the food. What do you do?
Yeah, we'll order. So guys, just have a look at the place. Yeah, this is the vibes. If you ask me, vibes are nice, but it is very, very closely packed. Like the next table is right there. You see that guy next to Kevin? That's the next table. So it's very tightly packed. The pizzas are 14 inches, which, by the way, is very big, bro. 14.
Extremely large, bro. Like I can't even imagine anything being like even half that big like this.
14 is 3 hands, bro. So we're gonna go with one buffalo chicken pizza and one birria pizza. So you guys know what a birria is, right? Birria is basically a lamb stew where chunks of lamb meat just fall off the bone. So they put that on a pizza as well. We'll try that. Starting with mozzarella sticks, deep fried mozzarella cheese with some salsa. Let's see how it tastes. Look at that cheese pull. No taste at all. Only the salsa has some tomato tartness, but the mozzarella stick, no taste. They have Mossad kombucha. I've gotten the peach flavor. This is a standard packaged item. You can find it on Blinkit. Buffalo chicken wings and some Cajun chicken wings. Thank you, brother. Let's try the Cajun.
Bro, give kaju, bro.
Guys, I spit it out. That chicken is not fresh. Even Hari spit it out.
It's completely ass. It's ass.
That was the worst chicken wing I've eaten in my life. They should take it off the menu. Kevin, how was it?
I'm glad it's called 23rd Street Pizza and not 23rd Street Cajun Chicken because
It's so bad. Guys, I've never spit food out of my mouth. It's that fucking bad. Do you think that's fresh?
It's fucking trash. How can you go wrong with this?
Let's try the buffalo chicken wings.
at least now I know not to bring my girl.
Nah, bro. Bro, the meat itself is bad. The meat is bad. Yeah, the sauce, buffalo sauce is fine, but I'm not risking my fucking health.
I'm not having it.
The next thing that I'm trying are the lamb meatballs. I know it's a pizza place, but I'm still giving all the starters a shot, okay? Okay, not bad. The lamb itself is fine, but there's not enough sauce on top. The only thing that can save these meatballs is the mayo, okay? Otherwise, they're also mid as fuck.
Just hoping the pizza saves this place because like right now this is ass.
So this is our birria pizza, guys. Drizzle of lime.
Solid taste saving.
So to eat the birria pizza, you take the birria sauce, which is the lamb stew, dip the pizza in it.
Bro, this is like that.
Guys, I never shit on food like this, but this place, top worst experience. Agree?
Bro, what's that cafe in Mysore?
What is that? The starters are fucking trash. He's texting his girlfriend. He's telling her worst place to come. Bro,
Trash, bro.
trash. Nishok,
Yeah, guys, you want to spend solid 5k, you can just come here. Waste your money. Just come here.
I wish I had cancer instead.
after that terrible pizza experience, we've now come to Corner House to fix our taste buds. I'm not eating anything because I don't have the calories for this. Ninad, how's your DBC? What did you get, bro? Just ice cream. Man's gotten 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream.
Bro, I'm not at all satisfied. Something has to satisfy me right now.
Bro, come, I'll satisfy you, bro. Everybody's gotten something, man. Only I'm not eating. Crazy. But I've ordered 1 protein bar because I'm hungry though. So we're now playing cricket. It's me, Nishok, Ninad and Kavin. We're gonna be playing tennis ball.
wale hai, boys. Jodne wale.
What is this language? This is a family friendly vlog.
To clean Moh's tears.
Comedy has been achieved tonight.
Oh bro.
What is the teams?
Me and Kavin.
So you two and Ninad and I.
Oh balance.
So Kullas versus the tall ones, huh?
50 plus 50
Toss.
equal to 100.
Odd reef.
Zero also equal to 100.
Odd reef. It's odd. Choose two. Bat.
Mohit only 3 balls.
Mohit only 3 balls.
Yeah. You forgot last session, huh?
Bro,
Forgot that unit
you
record.
play long enough, you will walk out with 0 balls, bro. Do you want to bat first? Okay, Ninad, who's a bowler, is batting first.
One long off, sweep for mid wicket, deep mid wicket.
Guys, I don't understand this fancy cricket terminology. I just know you hit hard enough, it's a 6. Oh, look at the batsman checking out a cement pitch. Is it flat or not, bro? Match is starting. Ninad is facing the first ball. Nishok is bowling to Ninad. Hey, first ball, only dot. Wow. Come on, Ninad. 6. 4.
Oh, good ball.
Shot. Nice ball.
1-1.
9 runs of the first over. Now Kavan's bowling. Kavan's a left arm pace bowler. He's bowling to Ninad. Fucking Maxwell shit he's doing. Alright, so now Kavan's bowling to me. I have 4 balls to face. Actually 3 balls. Let's go. Ready? Oh! I missed that, huh? It was in the slot. Fuck. Last ball, no? Oh! Alright, so we managed to get only 13 runs out of the 2 overs. Now Nishok's team has to score 14 to win. Ninad is going to be bowling. I hope Ninad gets both of them out because Ninad is the best bowler here. I can't bowl for shit. First ball, Ninad to Nishok. Let's go. Wide ball. Wow. 1 run. Nice ball, man. Let's go, Ninad. Let's get him bowled. Hey, wide. Come on, Ninad. Get him. 1 run. Fuck, nice ball. I have a feeling that Nishok's gonna get out on this ball. Bowled him! Alright guys, now the commentary is by Ninad. I am bowling this over.
And that's a single. Sure. And that's a beautiful ball. I think the lights are too bright for Kavin. He's holding the bat a little too tight. Another fantastic ball by Mohit.
3 balls 7.
Kavin has no clue what's going on here. This is a huge ball in the context of the game. A fantastic ball.
2 balls 6.
Kavin has single-handedly thrown the match away. Kavin, the lights are too bright, huh? Another fantastic ball. Let's see what Kavin does. Mohit's leg spin. And so huge controversy here. Let us know if that was 6 or out.
6, huh? Fuck, okay, bro. Well played, bro. Good match. Hey, bro. I bowled well.
You bowled well.
You hit last shot well. I'll give it to you, bro.